Okay, so I've got an update on the ready-to-made that I have in the box. I have some of the petite. Like I said in the previous video, no two of these are alike. They're going to be very, very different. A gray, pink and cream flamingos, a puppy. I've got several of the men's medallion. I have a gray with the anchors on it, chickens, Mickey and Minnie, and the coral. This is kitties, kitty cats. Let's see here. Here's some of the ombre paw print. This is a kind of light blue with a lavender flower in it. Some of that petite purpley blue with some metallic in it. The coral. Here is some of the trucks, patriotic trucks. Harry Potter. Puppies, gray, kitties, chickens. I have one of the ballet slippers ready, but I've got about 3 dozen more cut out. And I think that's about it. And in children's ready-to-made, I have a Harry Potter and a couple of pink and blue flamingos. That's the stock on hand right now.